Hi guys, my name is Kismerly Amadolara and I will be cooking garlic butter shrimp. So the ingredients for this recipe are Sprite, butter, oyster sauce, the onion and garlic, the onion leaves, and the main ingredient, this shrimp. First things first is to cut the onions and garlic into small pieces. Next is to cut the hairy parts of the shrimp. Cutting its hairy parts will help the presentation clean. After, soak it in the Sprite. This will help the shrimp to absorb the Sprite to make it tasteful. In the pan, put the butter. When it melts, put the garlic until it's golden brown. And the onion. When it is now ready, put the shrimp with the Sprite into the pan. Let it simmer and wait for the shrimp to become red. It is now boiling. Flip the shrimp to cook the other side. When it boils, put some oyster sauce as your choice. Mix it well until it scatters. We also need to check the taste. If it is your choice or you need to change and add other seasonings to make it more tasteful. When you are contented with your choice of taste, then let it simmer and wait for it to boil. In my case, I prepared onion leaves for the garnish. When it is now boiling, you can now turn off the fire and mix it thoroughly and add the garnish. Now, we already finished cooking garlic butter shrimp. It's time for replating. Add some finishing touches to make your recipe presentable. So here's the final recipe of the garlic butter shrimp. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.